Okay, I generally don't know what I've created, but I've made this deck. I don't really know what it is. I just made it without a thought. I just thought, oh, well, the Golden Knight's fun to play with. He got a new rework. Let's do that. And then I put in Tornado. I'm like, oh, what other cards can synergize with the Tornado? And then I thought of the Electro Dragon and the uh, Magic Archer. So that's how this thing came to be. Yeah, it's kind of it. I got nothing else to say, really, because that's mainly it. We'll actually get a lot of damage on the tower from this. And yeah, we actually do pretty well. We do take a tiny bit of damage on the left side with the bomber, but honestly not that bad. Ooh, it's pretty dangerous, you know? That's gonna be a bit of a problem, you know? Hopefully the bomber dies. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Ah! Okay, but we still get the king tower on, even though we're about to lose our tower. That was pretty pointless. You know, we kind of spammed, but not the end of the world right there. What will this guy do next? I don't know. I'm mainly just seeing what we can do with this weird, strategy. Strategy? He probably has Mega Knight or something. Never mind. He actually will not counter it, and in fact, almost loses tower. Honestly, we're... Honestly, I'm just gonna do this. I don't really know. We might just get the King Tower activated with something. I really do not know. Okay, so I'm just gonna do Tornado like that. Just to, you know, cycle and get the King Tower down. Well, blah blah blah, get the tower down. Holy smokes, I cannot speak. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, let's use the... Oh, the Electro Dragon is so good. I love it. Okay, let's do a Golden Knight right now. And, oh, that's gonna go on the tower, isn't it? Dang it, it doesn't. That sucks, but we still get a ton of damage on the tower. He's gonna do a giant in the pocket, I know it. I called it, actually. Okay, we actually do really good. We defend the whole push. He looks pretty mad. I would be mad too, honestly. And let's just do a Golden Knight, and let's see if we get any... Ooh, we get damage on the tower. That's so good, and I love it. Honestly, we're doing pretty well for this type of deck. Okay, he does do a giant, which will suck for us. But we do have a lot of spam, so that's really good for us. Oh, ain't no way he's about to... Oh, please keep going, please keep going, please keep going. And we win. Let's just log on the tower. Goodbye. I don't know how that worked, but it did, and let's keep going. Yeah, good game, I guess. But let's keep going. Ah, dang, my Pepsi's out. That sucks. Easy money sniper. Okay. Let's just split wall breakers. Let's see what he has. We're just cycling, and okay, he has Tesla. That's gonna be a main problem for me. We'll actually get some damage on the Tesla. That's good. Let's just put a Golden Eye in the back. He might have Expo. What the what? I've never seen a deck like that. Okay. What the what? Nah, that's actually insane though. I don't care what anyone says, that should not happen at all. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a Electro Dragon for this. Oh, this is gonna hurt, isn't it? Yeah, it's gonna hurt a lot. He takes the tower. That sucks really bad, but eh. Sucks to suck, I guess. And we're going in with wall breakers. It'll definitely have Tesla, yep. Predicted. Well, it's kind of predictable. But how did that princess get taken out? That does not make sense to me. Ooh. Prada party. What the what? I don't, isn't Prada like a design design, like a fashion store? I'm pretty sure. That's the last thing I remember about it. It's gonna be fine. Okay, I'm low-key gonna have to do a Evo. Okay. I probably won't win this one. That sucks. What the? Okay, that does not make sense to me about this card, since he'll dash on the most dumb bullcrap and then not dodge on some of the easiest stuff. Like, what? What are you doing? That's what I'm wondering. Yeah, we probably won't take the tower, but that's fine with me. We're just having fun with this deck, you know? I don't really focus on trying to win all the time. I just want to have fun. And honestly, in my book, I win because I got a lot more damage than this guy. Okay, well, we lost this one. It's not the end of the world. Let's just keep going, and let's see if we can actually win this one. Serpro Blade. That's an interesting name, and I haven't used that tornado that often, so it'd probably be good to actually do that. Holy smokes. And we get... Oh, is this log bait? It's because of the Evo... It's log bait. Oh no, it's log bait. Wah, wah. Okay, dang it. I was gonna do the dang tornado, but I guess this guy doesn't want to be exciting. Okay. Let's just do wall breakers in the back. I don't know. Okay, he could have gotten that already a while ago. And that's how to perfectly counter a, I don't know. A blah 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 blah. Dang it! Honestly, just gonna log this. If that tornado was just a bit later, I could have gotten so much damage on this tower. Oh, I don't have my Evo E-Dragon, that's the problem. This feels like a bot. I don't know. Just genuinely feels like a bot. Serpro Blade, and it has no clan. That's like the most bot crap I've ever seen. That sucks. I'm just gonna log that side. He used a lot of elixir to defend that. I'm gonna be real. This sucks though, since we haven't gotten any real damage. Let me guess, he's gonna do Goblin Gang. Surprisingly, he didn't. Never mind, I was correct. I'm not surprised that I was correct. Let me guess, he's gonna do a mini P.E.K.K.A on the other side just to drag it over. He's gonna try and do a princess or something. I did that mainly because I don't trust this guy. Okay. He's probably gonna do a goblin barrel on this side. Ugh, this is boring. Bro. Log bait. This is boring. I don't like boring decks to play against. Like, really? Plain log bait? That's what you're playing? Of all things you could have been having fun with? That's like the main thing I don't like playing against. These decks are like so unoriginal that literally you can find it in 2 seconds, I don't know, on Royal API or something. It's just not fun to play against. Oh wow, he fireballed. Who knew he was gonna do that? Not me. Not me at all. This is like this is a bot account. I know it. Ugh. Let me guess, it's a bot. Jesus Christ. Someone's actually been playing like this? Yikes. Alright, okay. But now that I know it's not a bot, Jesus Christ, you're boring. I cannot imagine, honestly, playing just log bait and stuff the entire time you're on this game. Like, there's nothing original, and it's boring as heck to me. Dang. Oh no. Whatever will I do? Nice try. Got my King Tower activated. Pretty cool, you know? It's nice to have tornadoes sometimes. I'll just counter that with... What is this deck? Is this like... Did he like mishmash log bait? Freaking... I'm so confused by this deck. Oh, please get on the tower. Yes! Ugh. Okay, I'm so lucky that actually got there. Yo, what? Okay, pop off, I guess. We're still going. Please don't. Nah, that's evil. That's actually evil. I'm not even joking. That should not have worked at all. No way. Are we? Okay, pop off, I guess. Thanks. This game is so stupid and funny. So this is a mix of log bait, of a hog cycle deck, and then a log, I don't know, like bridge spam, I guess? I think that's what this guy has, I'm not... Okay, so he doesn't have Evo Mega Knight. Let's do an Evo E-Drag in the back. And let's actually do wall breakers over here. I'm honestly not that bad with that. I'm not too bothered by that. We take a bit of damage from that, which sucks, but honestly, not bothered too much. And we actually don't take any damage from that. Pretty good, you know? Oh, dang. We could have gotten some damage from that, but that sucks. Let's drag that over there. Honestly, doing pretty good, considering damage. Like, look at that. We defend pretty well, not too hard. He's gonna do an E-Wiz or a Firecracker behind that, or just a straight up Mega Knight, because this guy is a bit too predictable. Never mind, he's actually gonna do one all the way in the back. I was genuinely not expecting that. So he's mixing his plays up a bit, that's good. Please damage the tower. Yes! Oh, and that's beautiful. Oh, the magic archer and the E drag going back and forth. Okay, so we haven't gained any trophies. We're just stuck in the same place. That's funny to me. I'm gonna do one more match just for the fun of it, and let's see how we go. Pizza Crown. And this guy is the Dagger Duchess. Okay, so we can't use wall breakers, which sucks, like, a lot. But let's see, what can we do? Honestly, let's do Ice Spirit and wall breakers. Maybe we'll get some damage? No. Okay. That's honestly a very valuable ability, not gonna lie. And we're already back to another Golden Knight. Oh, he took a lot of damage from that. I really hate doing that. But, okay. Alright, thanks Supercell for the very weird, I don't know, targeting system? That was so odd. Yay, what the heck? So let me get this straight. You want to counter the thing that gets countered by the counter. Okay. Oh, that sucks. What the what? Alright, change targeting, I guess. That doesn't make sense to me. Sometimes this game just does stuff that I don't understand, and that's fine sometimes, but it's just not how the game should work. Okay, I'm probably just gonna do evil... Yeah, definitely evil wall breakers. I'm just gonna do a pack of... Okay. Oh no. Whatever will I do? Okay, let's get some damage on the tower. Yeah, that's good. Ah. Yay, another weird deck that's so skillful, y'all. I've never seen skill better than this, genuinely. Like, look at the skill. I've never seen better skill. Let me guess, he's gonna laugh at me or BM. Hmm? Surprisingly not. Never mind. Yay. 20,000. So bot accounts now have these weird... Okay. What the flip, Supercell? That's so weird.